Here it is, the DeatschWerks 300C. Sock, cord. I don't even think I need the instructions on this. It's pretty easy. Just a spacer and two O-rings. Okay, when you do this, you want to make sure that your gas tank isn't full for the DeatschWerks 300C fuel pump install, because it will overflow if you do. The shop manual says 2/3, more than 2/3 low, but I'm almost at 1/4, so I'm gonna be fine when I do this. Pull out this fuse so it stops running. Pull these little tabs out here. Just comes right up. Oh, she's starting to shut off. I'm gonna try starting it another time, a couple more times too, just to make sure it's good. All right, now I'm gonna disconnect the battery. So what I found is the front two clips, if you pull the ones closer to the front of the green part, you pull those two sides out, then you can lift up on these. Okay, so this first one towards the back seat, none hardly comes out of that one, but I'm pretty sure this one right here is the one that all comes out of. Paper towels. This is where it's gonna make a mess, I think. Oh, yep, she's spraying out of that one. I don't want to get this gas on my camera, so. Looks like there's a bunch of gas in the crevices of this thing, the housing. I think the floats towards the driver's side, yeah. Towards the driver's side back is the float. Just want to drip. There we go. Pretty clean looking fuel tank. Got her out. She's got a bunch of gas in it. I'll just dump some of this gas out of here. So what I'm going to do is just try to label this so I don't get confused. This I think was the front. This was the back. And I'm going to draw on the actual housing how these go, so I don't, it's just kind of like comes down right here, comes down right here, and it goes back up through here. That way I can see which, that actually goes underneath that part right there, and up, over, and down. this one just goes down right there, it looks like. And there's a skinny one that comes through here. This one goes under. So that one goes under. All right, let me get this apart. I think it's pretty easy. Ryan's Random Rides has a really good video on this. It's really in depth. I'm just doing a quick. And there's a C-clamp. Sometimes the 2018 is different than the earlier models, like on the sump restrictor's different, the turbo inlet's different, and there's a few other things that are different, so just making sure the 2018 isn't a different than the other models. A bunch of screwdrivers in there. Let's see. It's like 5 of them. I got it. And you cut this piece off, discard this. Okay, I got that all dremeled off and cleaned up. Yeah, I hope this isn't wrong. I'm taking this plastic off. I don't like it. Okay, two O-rings. Oh, there's one up in there. Get that out of there. And really careful. Okay, I think I got it. I think the key to this is as you're pushing down on this part right here, is to pull all the slack out of this loop that goes underneath, right real under, and then that gets it off of the sock so that it'll seat better. So I think I got it. Just got to put that little clamp on. Okay, and just reinstall it. Okay, so this rubber goes first. There it is. It like has a slot it fits in. Okay, so you want the notches to be facing the front of the car. It looks like probably 1 o'clock, like 4 or 5 o'clock, and then like 7 o'clock. So that this will, all of these will line up. And that small one right there, the one closest to the thing, and then that notch in the back. And that one. Make sure this is sealed on around the housing of the fuel pump assembly, so the gas doesn't leak up out of here after you've got it cinched down. Yeah, you'll know when you get them all together. It'll go up and down really easy and fit snug. All these little nubs fit in, the 3 nubs that fit in with this, and then this notch fits in here in the back. So you'll know when it's good. You can tell when it'll just go down real easy, and you'll be able to bolt it down real easy. Probably. Oh no, I thought there'd be a pairing box inside of here, but there isn't. Pairing header. And scroll.